there, everybody. I'm Shelly Shenoy, voice actor, voiceover coach, and voice director. And I've been asked a really important question by the people at Voices. They want to know how to make a do-it-yourself pop filter. First, you got to know what a pop filter is. It's one of these guys. It hangs out in front of your condenser microphone so that there are no air pops on your microphone causing distortion. What's an air pop? Hold your fingers in front of your mouth and say anything you want. What's an air pop, Shelly Shenoy? Well, you can feel all those plosives that would be happening on your microphone. You can feel them right on your hand. So you're definitely going to want a pop filter. Your first option for making that one is to grab a pair of Spanx. You can just speak through the Spanx like this, but you also could just wear the Spanx on the top of your head and just speak through them like this. Now the problem is that you're not really gonna sound your best. You're not really going to be able to see the coffee or drink your coffee. That does not work. There's one better option. The better option is to go to Amazon.com and buy one. They cost $6, and you deserve to have a working pop filter to sound like a working voice actor. Hope that helps. I'm Shelly Shenoy. Have a good day.